Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can add more impostors in Among Us. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just being like here in game. Let's create a game, and now you're gonna see impostors. So this is the only way. So you need to choose like 3 impostors or like 2. You need to close the game and then invite everyone, because when you choose with the 1, you need to go like with the 2. Now and now confirm, and now you're gonna have 2 impostors. So thank you very much everybody for watching. Have a great day and goodbye.